Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Ford 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 engine is a powerful and robust gasoline engine designed for heavy-duty applications, primarily in Ford's Super Duty truck lineup. It was developed to offer a strong gasoline alternative to diesel engines, focusing on durability, simplicity, and low-end torque. History and versions. The 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 was first introduced for the 2020 model year in the Ford Super Duty F-250 and F-350 trucks. It was engineered from the ground up as a large displacement, naturally aspirated gasoline engine to meet the demands of commercial and heavy-duty towing applications, effectively filling a gap left by the discontinuation of the 6.8 LV10. While the core 7.3-liter engine remains consistent, Ford offers various tunes and applications. Super Duty pickup trucks, F-250 and F-350 and F-450 and F-550 and F-600. This is its primary application, offering the highest horsepower and torque ratings for optimal towing and hauling. In 2023, the Super Duty version saw a slight increase in torque output. Medium-duty trucks, F-650 and F-750. These applications typically feature a detuned version of the engine, prioritizing torque at lower RPMs for vocational use. E-Series vans, E-350 and E-450. The E-Series offers two versions, a premium and an economy tune, with the economy variant being discontinued for 2024. These are optimized for commercial van operations. Motorhome and commercial strip chassis, F-53 and F-59. Similar to the medium-duty trucks, these versions are tuned for specific chassis applications. Crate engine, Ford Performance M 6007-73. Ford Performance also offers the 7.3-liter Godzilla as a standalone crate engine, making it popular for engine swaps and custom builds, thanks to its compact size for a large V8. Design and specifications. The 7.3-liter Godzilla is a naturally aspirated 90-degree V8 engine featuring a pushrod overhead valve, OHV, design with two valves per cylinder. It emphasizes traditional, proven engineering for maximum durability. General specifications for Super Duty pickup version, which is the most common. Displacement, 7.3 liters, 445 cubic inches. Configuration, naturally aspirated 90 degrees V8. Cylinder block material, cast iron, deep skirt with Siamese cylinders for strength. Cylinder head material, aluminum. Valve train, OHV, pushrod, two valves per cylinder, with roller valve actuation and variable valve timing, VVT. Camshaft drive, silent chain. Bore, 4.22 inches, 107.2 millimeters. Stroke, 3.976 inches, 101.0 millimeters. Compression ratio, 10.5 to 1. Some sources indicate 10.8 to 1 for specific tunes. Max power, 430 horsepower at 5,500 RPM. Super Duty pickups, 2020 present. Lower horsepower tunes for other applications, e.g., 335 horsepower for F-650 and 750, 325 horsepower and 300 horsepower for E-Series. Max torque, 475 lb-ft at 4,050 RPM. Super Duty pickups, 2020 to 2022. 485 lb-ft at 4,000 RPM. Super Duty pickups, 2023 present. Other applications have varying torque figures. Fuel requirement, 87-octane regular unleaded. Flex fuel, E85 capable on some commercial models. Oil capacity, 8.0 quarts, 7.6 liters, with oil filter. Piston cooling jets, yes, for enhanced durability. Transmission pairing, primarily mated with Ford's Torque Shift 10-speed automatic transmission, 10 or 140. Some commercial applications use a heavy-duty 6-speed torque shift. Review and opinions. The 7.3-liter Godzilla engine has been overwhelmingly positively received by owners and automotive journalists alike. It's lauded for its rugged durability, straightforward design, and impressive low-end torque. Many see it as a back-to-basics approach that prioritizes reliability and power for actual work over intricate technology. Owners consistently praise its ability to effortlessly handle heavy towing and hauling. It provides a gasoline option that can compete with lighter-duty diesels in terms of capability, but with lower upfront costs and simpler maintenance. Its traditional pushrod design is often highlighted as an advantage for long-term reliability and ease of service. The engine also has a significant tuning potential, with enthusiasts achieving well over 1,000 horsepower with forced induction, demonstrating its robust internal components. Advantages: exceptional durability and reliability. Built with a cast-iron block, forged steel crankshaft, and a simple pushrod design, it's designed for a long lifespan under heavy loads. Strong low-end torque. Delivers abundant torque right off idle, making it excellent for launching heavy loads and navigating challenging terrain. Lower cost of ownership. Compared to diesels, significantly less expensive to purchase and maintain than diesel engines, as it avoids the complex and costly emission systems, DEF, DPF, turbos. Simplicity. Its OHV pushrod design means fewer moving parts compared to overhead cam engines, potentially leading to fewer points of failure and easier repairs. Compact packaging. Despite its large displacement, the pushrod design allows for a relatively compact physical size, aiding in easier integration and swaps. High tuning potential. The robust bottom end and overall strong design make it highly capable of handling forced induction, superchargers, turbos, for massive power gains. Disadvantages. Fuel consumption. This is the primary trade-off. As a large displacement, naturally aspirated gasoline V8 is a thirsty engine, especially when towing or under heavy load. It will not match the fuel efficiency of modern diesel engines. Peak power. Compared to performance gasoline engines, while very powerful for a truck engine, it's not designed for high RPM horsepower like some performance-oriented gasoline engines. Weight. The cast-iron block contributes significantly to the overall vehicle weight. Some reported issues. While generally reliable, some owners have reported isolated issues. See faults and breakdowns. Faults and breakdowns. Despite its reputation for durability, some owners and reports have highlighted a few recurring issues, though these are not universally experienced and should be considered in context of its widespread use. Lifter failure and valve train noise. This is perhaps the most commonly discussed concern. Some owners have reported premature lifter failures or excessive valve train noise, sometimes attributed to the variable oil pump's low oil pressure at idle in certain scenarios. Ford has issued TSBs, technical service bulletins, and potentially updated programming to address this for some affected vehicles. Cylinder wall scoring. Less common, but reported in some cases, inadequate lubrication or contaminants could lead to scoring on cylinder walls, causing increased oil consumption and reduced performance. Wiring harness issues. Some reports mention issues with wiring harnesses, potentially leading to misfires or other electrical gremlins. Transmission harsh shifting and hesitation. While related to the transmission, 10 or 140 torque shift, rather than the engine itself, some owners have reported these issues, often linked to software calibration. Oil leaks. As with many engines over time, minor oil leaks from gaskets, e.g., valve covers, oil pan, can eventually develop. Starting problems. A few reports of difficulty starting, which can be related to fuel system issues, pump, injectors, or ignition components. It's crucial to follow maintenance schedules, use recommended fluids, and address any unusual noises or performance changes promptly. Fuel consumption. The 7.3-liter Godzilla is not a fuel economy champion. Unloaded. Owners typically report combined fuel economy figures in the range of 10 to 14 miles per gallon in mixed city and highway driving. Pure highway cruising can sometimes push into the mid to high teens, 15 to 17 miles per gallon, at steady speeds. Towing. When towing heavy loads, e.g., 10,000 lbs plus, fuel economy will drop significantly, often into the single digits, 6 to 9 miles per gallon, depending on the load, terrain, and driving style. This is comparable to other large gasoline V8s in heavy-duty trucks. Timing. The Ford 7.3-liter Godzilla engine uses a silent timing chain system. Timing chains are designed to last the lifetime of the engine under normal operating conditions and typically do not require scheduled replacement intervals like timing belts. This design choice contributes to the engine's reputation for reliability and lower long-term maintenance. Oil type and change interval. Oil type. Ford recommends Motorcraft SAE 5W 30 Premium Synthetic Blend Motor Oil, which meets Ford specification WSS M2C946B1. It is crucial to use oil that meets this specification. Some owners choose to use full synthetic 5W30 that meets the same spec for enhanced protection, particularly under heavy use. Oil capacity. The 7.3-liter Godzilla engine has an oil capacity of 8.0 quarts, 7.6 liters, including the oil filter. Change interval. The 7.3-liter Godzilla engine is equipped with an intelligent oil life monitor system. This system actively monitors various operating conditions, e.g., engine temperature, RPMs, load, idle time, to determine the optimal oil change interval. This can vary from 5,000 miles to up to 10,000 miles or 6 to 12 months, whichever comes first. For vehicles consistently used for heavy towing, extreme temperatures, or commercial applications, the system will typically recommend more frequent oil changes. Always adhere to the recommendations of the vehicle's oil life monitor and consult your owner's manual for the most accurate information for your specific model year and usage. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.